Hey people, it's Niles Toki. Now, this is from CNN Health. I'd like to thank an Instagrammer called Ancestors Reincarnated for telling me about this story. So here it goes. Vaccination cards will be issued to everyone getting COVID-19 vaccine, health officials say. The Department of Defense released the first images of COVID-19 vaccination record card and vaccination kits Wednesday. Vaccination cards will be used as the simplest way to keep track of COVID-19 shots, said Dr. Kelly Moore, Associate Director of the Immunization Action Coalition, which is supporting frontline workers who will administer COVID-19 vaccinations. A Department of Health and Human Services employee holds a COVID-19 vaccine record card November 13 in Washington, D.C. Everyone will be issued a written card that they can put in their wallet that will tell them what they had and when the next dose is due, Moore said. Let's do the simple, easy thing first. Everyone's going to get that. Vaccination clinics will also be reporting to the state immunization registries what vaccine was given, so that, for example, an entity could run a query if it didn't know where a patient got a first dose. Moore said many places are planning to ask patients to voluntarily provide a cell phone number so they can get a text message telling them when and where the next dose is scheduled to be administered. Every dose administered will be reported to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, said Claire Hannan, Executive Director of the Association of Immunization Managers. The CDC did not immediately respond to CNN's inquiry about whether such a database would include a record of everyone immunized. As far as vaccine kits, the DoD image shows the kits include a card, needle and syringe, alcohol wipes, and a mask. Operation Warp Speed has 100 million vaccine kits ready to go if and when distribution of a coronavirus vaccine starts, General Gustav Perna, Warp Speed's chief operating officer, said last month. The image comes as two companies, Pfizer and Moderna, await emergency use authorizations (EUA) in the United States. A panel of the U.S. Food and Drug Administration is expected to discuss whether to authorize the EUAs on December 10th and 17th. Should Pfizer and Moderna get the authorization, the vaccine's first shipments could happen December 15th and 22nd, respectively, according to a document for the federal government's Operation Warp Speed. Initial supplies in the United States will be limited, and the wider population won't have access to vaccines until months in 2021. A CDC panel recommended Tuesday that healthcare and long-term care workers get inoculated first. By February, 100 million Americans could be vaccinated against coronavirus, Moncef Slaoui, chief advisor to Operation Warp Speed, said on Wednesday. The United States has said if both Pfizer and Moderna win FDA emergency use authorization in December, they could distribute 40 million doses of vaccine by the end of the month. Each vaccine requires 2 doses, so that's enough to fully vaccinate 20 million people. Well, obviously, this is bad. Now, to the Tijuana Black Americans who listen to me, I'm telling you this is very stupid and very dangerous if you take it, because, as I've said before, there's nothing that they give you, housing, resources, money, or land, that you're a priority for. But now that they've got this vaccine, they suddenly want to make you the priority. And I know they haven't said it in this article, but they have said it in many other sources that they plan for Tijuana Black Americans to be the first to receive it. And even if you're one of those people who sort of believes in vaccines, even common sense should dictate that you shouldn't really take this. It takes 5 years for a vaccine to pass through its trials on a normal basis. They've cooked this up in less than 1 year. It can't possibly be safe just by common sense alone. Anyway, please comment, rate, share, and subscribe. If you want to support this channel, leave my GoFundMe in the description. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll leave that there as well. If you'd like to buy one of my t-shirts, I'll leave the link there as well. And I'll leave the article so you can read that as well. Peace.